Namaskar. Good morning, students. I am Nilima Kadam, your virtual teacher, General Science, Standard 6, Substances in the Surroundings, Their States and Properties. पदार्थ सभोवतालचे अवस्था आणि गुणधर्म. Dear friends, let's recall. Do you know water exists in three states? Which are the states of water? Yes, you are right. Ice, that is solid state, water, liquid state, and water vapor is the gaseous state of water. So, water exists in three states, that is solid, liquid, and vapor. See here, gas, then solid, that is ice, liquid means water, and gas, that is water vapor. So what are solid? स्थायू पदार्थ म्हणजे काय? Now in this picture there are some wooden particles are there, copper, iron, gold, glass, etc. So wood, iron, coal, gold, silver, copper, aluminium, glass. These are all solid substances. Liquid substances, water, kerosene, petrol, diesel, milk, oil. These are all liquid substances. And gases means the perfume or the vapors from agarbatti. These are all gaseous substances. Now what is the change of physical state? अवस्थांतर म्हणजे काय? Dear friends, sometimes you have seen the melting wax. When you take a candle and try to lamp it, the gas, that is wax, changes into liquid state. Why this happens? So when a substance changes from one state to another, it is called change of physical state. For example, if you give a heat to a solid substance, it changes to liquid. And again, if we give more heat to liquid substance, it changes to gaseous state. आपण जर स्थायू पदार्थाला उष्णता दिली तर त्याचं द्रवात रूपांतर होतं आणि द्रवाला अजून उष्णता दिली तर त्याचं वायू अवस्थेत रूपांतर होतं. So when a substance changes from one state to another, the process is called change of the state of the substance. Similarly, आपण जर त्याची उष्णता काढून घेतली, म्हणजेच एखादा पदार्थ आपण थंड केला, जर वाफ आपण थंड केली तर त्याचं पाण्यात रूपांतर होतं आणि पाणी अजून थंड केलं तर त्याचं बर्फात म्हणजे स्थायू अवस्थेत रूपांतर होतं. So the state of a substance changes if it is heated or it is cooled. So the state of substance changes if it is heated or cooled. पदार्थाचे अवस्थांतर होण्यासाठी पदार्थाला उष्णता द्यावी लागते किंवा त्यातून उष्णता काढून घ्यावी लागते. If we give heat to solid substance, it changes to liquid. Again, if we give more heat to liquid substance, it changes to gas. And if we take out the heat from the gas, it changes to liquid. And liquid again, after taking heat, it changes to solid. So heat and change of physical state. So when we give heat to a solid substance, it turns into liquid, and liquid after giving heat turns into gas, that is water vapor. सो बर्फाला उष्णता दिल्यानंतर त्याचं पाण्यात रूपांतर होतं, पाण्याला अजून उष्णता दिल्यानंतर त्याची वाफेत रूपांतर होतं. ऑन गेनिंग हीट the substance changes from solid to liquid and liquid to gas. Similarly, when the substance cools or loses heat, it changes from gaseous to liquid and liquid to solid state. See here, when substance cools, it changes from water vapor to water and again from water to ice, that is solid state. In the 19th century, the scientist J. Willard Gibbs showed that the characteristic properties of a substance depend on its physical state and the arrangement of particles in it. 19व्या शतकात जे विलार्ड गिब्स या शास्त्रज्ञाने पदार्थांची ही वैशिष्ट्ये जी आहेत ती त्यांच्या अवस्थांवर आणि कणांच्या संरचनेवर अवलंबून असतात हे दाखवून दिले. तर पदार्थाच्या 3 अवस्था असतात. देयर आर 3 स्टेट्स ऑफ सबस्टन्स और मॅटर. फर्स्ट सॉलिड, लिक्विड and gas. 3 states, that is solid, liquid and gas. See here, solid substance, liquid and gas. Now, how are the arrangement of particles in it? See here, in solid substances, that is solid state, the particles, arrangement of particles, they are very close to each other. There is more attraction in the particles, so they are very close to each other. In liquid state, the arrangement of particles, they are little bit away from each other, and in gaseous state they are far away from each other, and therefore we can see there is a specific shape to a solid substance. But when we think about liquid, it has no shape, and gaseous absolutely no shape. Wherever they get the space, they can go away from each other. आता या पदार्थाचं तापमान मोजण्यासाठी तापमापी हे साधन वापरलं जातं. A thermometer is used to measure the temperature. You have seen this thermometer, and degree Celsius is the unit of measuring temperature. ज्याप्रमाणे आपण लांबी रुंदी मोजण्यासाठी मीटर हे एकक वापरतो, तसंच तापमान मोजण्यासाठी अंश सेल्सियस, डिग्री सेल्सियस हे एकक वापरले जाते. डॅनियल फॅरेनहीट यांनी या तापमापीचा शोध लावला आणि त्यामुळे फॅरेनहीट या एककामध्ये सुद्धा तापमान मोजलं जातं. There are different types of thermometer. Some are digital. Now, उत्कलन means boiling. What is boiling? आपण जर पाण्याला उष्णता दिली तर पाणी आपल्याला काही ठराविक तापमानानंतर, ठराविक वेळानंतर पाणी आपल्याला उकळताना दिसून येतं. मग पाण्याला उष्णता दिल्यानंतर त्या पाण्याचे पहिली वाफ होते, बाष्पीभवन होतं आणि नंतर त्या पाण्याचं वाफेत रूपांतर होणे यालाच उत्कलन असे म्हणतात. When we give heat to water, evaporation takes place and water is transformed to water vapor. This is called boiling of water, and this process takes place at 100 degrees Celsius, and therefore boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. So what is the boiling point of water? 100 degrees Celsius. Now condensation. What is condensation? वाफेचे पुन्हा पाण्यात रूपांतर होणे या क्रियेला संघनन असे म्हणतात. आपण बऱ्याच वेळेला गरम पदार्थावर जर झाकण ठेवलं आणि ते झाकण बाजूला केल्यानंतर आपल्याला त्या वाफेचं म्हणजे त्या झाकण बाजूला केल्यानंतर आपल्याला पाण्याचे थेंब पडलेले दिसून येतात. So water vapor cools, it is converted into water again. This process is called condensation. When we get rain, rain is nothing but water vapor turning into water droplets. That is condensation. Water from the sea evaporates. It goes up and up. After going upwards, when water vapor turns into water droplets, it is called condensation. So when this water vapor cools, they turns into water droplets. Now freezing. Liquid changing into solid, it is called freezing. And what is melting? Solid changing into liquid is called melting. द्रवाचे स्थायू रूपांतर होणे म्हणजे गोठणे आणि बर्फाचे म्हणजे स्थायूचे पुन्हा द्रवात रूपांतर होणे याला विलयन असे म्हणतात. This is melting of ice. So dear friends, today we have seen the 3 states of substance. Now how this boiling, freezing happens and what are its uses, we will see in the next video. Thank you.